I wasn't going to film any videos today between my night shifts, but I've been too excited not to share this video with you. So if you watched my milk jug final reveal, I said that was going to be my last time talking about my milk jugs, but I was going to give them more time because of our wet, cold spring we had. Well, let me tell you, I gave them more time and I'm so excited. I have sprouts in most of my containers. I planted 2 of my containers out into my garden, my sunflowers and spaghetti squash, because they were growing well in the milk jugs. I left all of my other milk jugs, and all of the milk jugs here have all sprouted. I'll give you a little sneak peek into each one just very quickly, but I am so excited. First, we have a cantaloupe called Honey Rock, 2 little sprouts. We have a butternut squash, beautiful sprouts. These are the black-eyed Susans. They had already sprouted in the last video, and I've been transplanting them into the landscape. And we have the tiniest little sprout, which is a cucumber sprout. In here is a watermelon sprout. In here we have another variety of cucumber sprouting. In this milk jug, we've got multiple honeydew melon sprouts. Here we have a different variety of watermelon that has sprouted. Here we have snapdragons. They had already sprouted in my last video. My echinacea has sprouted. Here we have, I believe these were mystery sprouts. Yeah, I think they had just started in my last video, but they're definitely going stronger now. Here are the lavender sprouts. They had just started in the last video, but they're slightly bigger now. And once again, this is our little mystery water bottle sprout. So that's going to be it. I was just too excited about my milk jugs and water jugs not to share that with you, because I just can't believe sometimes when you give seeds a little more time, they will grow. So all I want to say is don't give up on your seeds. Even if they haven't sprouted, there's a high chance, depending on your climate, that they may still sprout if you give them more time. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.